Hey everyone, if you are a web developer, you know that finding the right code editor is crucial for your productivity and workflow. In this video, I will be sharing with you the top 5 code editors for web developers. Number 1 on our list is Visual Studio Code. Developed by Microsoft, is a popular and free code editor that supports multiple programming languages, has a wide range of features, offers built-in Git support, debugging tools, and extension. Our next code editor is Sublime Text. It's a paid code editor. Number 3 on our list is Atom, developed by GitHub. It's also a free open source code editor for developers. Number 4 on our list is Brackets. It's a free and open source code editor developed by Adobe. And number 5 on our list is Code Sandbox, a free and open source online code editor that allows you to develop web application directly in the web browser. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.